Machine has a Fanuc 0i series control with manual guide eye and macro executor. Right now we're running the spindle. The spindle goes up to 8,000 RPM. Right now we are running at 3,200 RPM. It's a Cat 40. We're going up. We're at 5,500. We're at 7,200 RPM. Again, it goes up to 8,000 max. That's good enough. We are going to run the axes for you. You have 40.2 inches of X, 21.3 of Y, and 20.1 of Z. First thing we're going to do is a tool change. Machine has a 30 tool capacity, side mounted tool changer. There you go. He is running the Z-axis. Again, you have 20.1 of Z. That's your Y. And your X. Okay, this machine also does have Renishaw part and tool probe. Cooling through. The control does have a remote jog handle as well. So, oh, and a chip conveyor.